Let's go. Sibling rivalry. One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just like. Hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Sibling Rivalry with me, Talita Ndima.
Zuko Ndima is the name. Ikyan on the run. Yeah.
Okay.
Rutmani Prazo. Brother Yakandre. And also, man, this time I'm not using it often enough. I want to use it more. What happened? Did it die out? I say, Brother Yakandre.
People still refer to you as
Oh, okay, cool, fantastic. Okay.
No one tells me I'm the sister Yakan. As if I'm not related to you. Okay, cool. Cool vibes, guys. Well done.
Oh, no. Kurati, guys. Dikhule ndingu brother kaTalita my whole life. So it's fine.
Oh, now you've graduated to brother Yakan.
Yeah, I've got my own identity. Imagine me with my own identity. This is overwhelming.
Also, no, you didn't grow up as a brother Katalita your whole life.
I did.
No, you didn't.
I did. Trust me. I know. I know.
Really?
Yes.
Even before I got famous.
Yes. Because it was all a little. Because this is the thing, right? You've been pretty longer than you've been famous.
Oh, hey.
So in that happening, all these little snot-filled boys that are around Zindala Kom, I've always been brother Katalita.
Oh.
And to other girls, two girls as well, even their girls is nine. Then brother Katalita.
That's weird.
Because you were revered.
You think I'm pretty?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Why didn't you
you're
tell
fire,
me?
bro. What do you mean?
Why didn't you ever tell me?
Why?
Because it's nice to hear. Ungonya for
Bro,
with something that I have nothing to do with.
The only person that you tell you are pretty, but nayak.
Mchana. No, bro.
Guys, do you tell your sisters Bazi pretty?
I bet you people tell their sisters about pretty.
Really? When I go mom. You know. You don't.
I never tell you that. I think you're so cute.
Not so cute. I'm looking for handsome.
I know what you're looking for.
Well, going over 35. Over cute for me. You're hot. You're handsome.
So I'll tell you.
Something definitive.
Oh. And cute is not definitive.
Yeah, like a puppy is cute. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. So? I want to be actually Zulu.
I will handsome ukufa mchana. Sister Tinyani. I know. No, they can come, but they won't win. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Not against you.
Oh, thanks.
Funny.
Then get a little bullshit. Okay. I won't take it that far.
But you get told all the time also, don't you?
No.
The people I see in our messages, but they're always like, oh, he's sorry.
I don't know. I don't get told. Yeah, I'm not saying I'm trying to get told, but I don't get told. So it's something that you're the most beautiful man I've ever laid eyes on.
Stop lying, girl.
You know, so
now we are telling about how cute, pretty.
Yeah. You're so pretty. Are you sure your name is what your name is? I want to go pretty.
I'll be like, stop, never tell me that again. Thank you so much. That's so wild. Welcome, guys. If you're Kalubalafa, welcome.
This is what generally happens. Siyancokola nje akhondo caba ke nomkhondo bakhe hayi ke eshowini ke namhlanje umongameli we siyazincokolela and we just go through our lives like that.
Another podcaster was here earlier, Yolanda.
Yep.
Yolanda, ne? And she was like, oh, we should totally do something together. And I was like, yeah, that would be cool. We should find a way to, mix our things. And then she was like, yeah, because they turn like gossip. And I was like, oh. I was listening to her record earlier. I have no idea about empty when's it doing.
Oh, sure.
So I was like, when's it doing empty chance? And they're like, you don't know. And I was like, you see, I don't.
Yeah.
I have no idea. One Balisel. And I was like, oh. They're like, where do you live? Under a rock. I'm like, apparently so.
Also, you don't play a lot in socials.
No.
And TikTok, akuhletywa ku-TikTok kuyajayivwa. Instagram kuyahletywa ke phaa ku-Instagram. Oshwashwi nee-gossip channels.
Oh, really?
That's where iphaa ku-Instagram.
Oh, and I don't play that at all.
Yes.
Oh,
as a person. Yeah, celebrity gossip. It's general gossip.
Let's define it.
Kuthetha ngomntu. Kuthetha ngomntu ukuthetha ngeendaba zomntu. Engekho.
Yeah.
Into obungenayithetha
Ekon, I can deliver from time to time.
Uliphaki. Cinga ntoni?
Vila Jobi, ubani uthe. Because some things you can't keep to yourself. But if you're like, oh, nazokubalisela bani.
Ubala ntoni xa ubalisile?
You're relieved by taking it off your shoulders. There's a friend of mine who is here from PE. Shout out, Andy. What's up? So I saw it this past weekend. So we're catching up now. Do a very heavy duty catch up. And Balse zakhe ndimbalise zam njalo njalo.
Siphele zenu. Ingene kwezethu.
No. Then kwesinye story sam.
Yeah.
I said, yo, I can't wait to get home. And I was like, no, bro, that's not how this works.
Story sakho.
Story sam.
Oh, sure. Uzayoleva ngawe husband yakhe.
But
Oh, that's so lovely.
Wow, what's the lovely part?
Imani kaloku utransparent ba uzabalisela umuntu wakhe and ba-close nomuntu wakhe bashare ezo ndaba.
I was like, no, dog. Andifuna ujajwa ngumuntu wakho. And I can just see him. Then wayenza naye wathi, yo, nobuzothi, oh, Talita Gautini. I was like, I don't need that.
But kutheni usenza into ezizakujajisa wena?
No, funny.
Ndiyabona ke.
You never know about uzotshatshelwa leli police. They are just leaving.
But yayazi umyeni kuzawutshatsha.
Jaji la futhi. No, wena ukuzithela indaba zabantu.
Yeah, ndazoyika masiya ngathi uzawungena laa mntu. Okanye efonini ngathi kuzawulika i-conversation or something.
Is that why you don't do it? Because you're scared to be busted. That's a strange reason.
It's not a good Christian thing to do. Christian ngalokhu Talita. It's like
Kuthiwani ngemleve eBhayibhelini?
Wrong lona le unless
Kuthiwani eBhayibhelini?
Gossip is a crime.
It's a crime.
Yeah, a sin. Yes. To gossip. But ke I mean izihambe ziphinde zixubana indaba zabantu nendaba zethu so ke uyafusana.
Uyayiva Jobi.
Ya speculate mnani gossip. Is it different to speculate? I want ubani nobani bathini. Uyayiva? Man.
So if somebody's telling you gossip, are you going to be like, no, don't tell me, I don't want to hear it?
Because according to yenza loo nto leyo, I'm not going to sit here and build the theory with you.
What?
I wonder wenza ngani. Ndizakumamela. But
boring.
Man, ndoyika man mna.
That's a good place to be at.
Doyika man, doyika. It's just like one of those things where. But ke kule nto bakuswa amadoda ke gossip way more than women.
What do you think of that? Really?
I just said amashida awayenzi la weba hey uvile ba into nje ba hey ubani ngonjani ba ho ayibiyo hash secret naxa ijamba kodwa lo foka unoma ngayithethi yalo uzethu wena
guys you guys also don't feel sorry xa nibhaqiwe
uyenza ngakhe khawuyenza if akawuyenza
it's fine
have a conversation
sorry yes
but buyenzile then susigezela bra uzeta nini
Okay. So something happened to me today.
Okay.
That whitened my heart.
Okay.
So uyakhumbula sibesike sathetha nge-friendship breakups, right? Like a while ago. So there was one that landed Peter Kagwi because I was accused of something I didn't do, right?
Okay. Yengbano.
Oh, Joby, ufuna ntoni igama lakhe? Siyakeba, into ngekho.
Oh, sorry. No names. Andifuna umbiza. Ngele xesha uyafuna umbiza.
And you know, eventually you
I don't want to mention names. Oh, yes, you do.
But we're all 1+1 through that story going, yeah. So a friend of mine told another friend of mine, Mom, Nandin, there's something and that I didn't do, right?
Okay.
And then this friend texted me and was like, how could you blah, 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 one block.
Sure.
So it didn't even give me a chance to like respond or say anything.
Buzang.
And akanibuzanga. So yaphela i-friendship yam nalo uxele into engekhoyo. And obviously the person who told this friend.
Oh.
Yes. Because I was like, why would you lie about me?
How did you know?
Yeah, she said, Ban told me that way. Now you did this and this and this.
Okay.
And I was like, lovely. Ban, that's it. Joby, why would you do that?
Yeah.
Then she was like, no, I didn't say it like that. I think she misunderstood me.
So menza lo way. I didn't menza lo. Okay, so what the friend said is, no, I didn't say it like that. I think she misunderstood. And then I was like, I'm done with you because I don't understand why you would do that. And now you're also just lying to my face. Okay.
Right? And
call her on alive.
No, 100%. I can't deal with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, what are we doing?
Oh, election.
Oh, suka sasandona pa for
sure.
And also, what was your intent in doing that? What was your intention? You'll never tell me, but then I always have to be watching my back with you. Now angikwazi ukubalisela into zami because I don't know about uzithini njani. So yabe iphelile ke ngoku i-friendship ezimbini in one go, right?
Sure.
Because lo uyiphelisile,
yes.
Yeah, 100%. And that was a while ago, while I was still living in PE, 2020, 2021. So, and I never saw that girl again. And all I ever wanted, and I
both of them.
Yeah, I haven't seen both of them. And all I ever wanted was just to say to that girl, but in her face, like look at her in the eye and say, I never did that. I know it doesn't matter to you, but I want to tell you that I never did that.
Okay.
Never got the chance, of course. Dimane ndiyicinga.
Awukucinga ungeni mhlawumbe ku-Instagram ufuna ulahlele noma i-DM.
Ndifuna umbonele. I want to see her.
Send your note. Sure.
No, I want to see her. Yeah. I want her to look into my eyes. I want to look into her eyes. I want to see her. Then Dambona, like last year, I think. And
bumped in randomly.
Somewhere.
After 4 years.
Yeah, 100%. Wow. And I was like, this is obviously not the time for that, right?
Okay.
So abulisana nje, and one bulisange, you know, like, oh, I have to say hi to you, I guess. Because someone abantu abasaziyo so bayithi hi. And then I was just like, okay, this is obviously not the time, but I know if and when the time comes, it will feel right and it will happen.
Okay.
Same thing. I was like, this is not the time. But also every time you do no valo, as if I don't know why.
I don't want to confess the feelings.
Parked. She'd parked. I didn't see that it was her that had parked. But as I got out of my car, she was getting out of her car. So she was literally walking 5 steps in front of me.
Akakubonanga.
And we're going to the same place.
Wow. You are a son. You. Cheeky, like him, like that.
Guy, I had to go.
It's a sign.
No. But I was like, if today's the day that this is supposed to happen, then today is the day.
Yeah.
And I'm like, Nyuki's Depsy, Safika Glendale. And it's like a big, empty, kind of like a hall. Safika Kobadu.
Yeah, son. Oh no, bro. What a drama.
Then, oh, wathi Thixo naligayithi ithuba lakho yokudala ulithandazela. And I was like, all right, well, it's now or never. So wangena yena.
So senibonene ke ngoku.
Asikabonani. Wangena yena, walks like to the one end of the place, and I'm like, stalking behind her. Then she turns around, and obviously she's surprised to see me. Did you hello? I said, hi, Njani. Did you? I'm fine, Njani. Did I'm right? Did you? Hello, xelela something.
Yeah, no follow. I don't want to turn to level. I feel like I didn't
I know it doesn't matter to you anymore, but Lando, I never did it. I never did it. I never did any part of it. Nothing even close to it happened. And then she was like, yeah, but it doesn't matter anymore. I'm like, I know. This is the thing. But
I said, I know it don't matter.
But I've just always wanted to say that to you. You never gave me the opportunity, which I understand, fine. I don't blame you for that. But I've always felt like it's something that I need to de-burden myself of.
Yeah.
And ndixelele wena ndingabe ndibalisela abanye abantu. Yeah. Because it matters not. 100%. So I just wanted to tell you that. Then I just literally saw the shift from dismissal to, maybe she didn't.
Yeah.
Then she was like, then why did Losisi say that? And I'm like, I don't know. What's wambuza? I'm like, hey, when wambuza, wathi wena misunderstandile. Then you could see her thought process like happen.
Yeah.
And I was like, that's all I needed. I don't need her to say, oh, I'm sorry. I don't need a forgiveness. I don't need anything. I just needed to tell her face to face, but I never did that to you, Chomeam. Because now that's your story of me for your whole life. So whether you believe me or not, like, it doesn't matter. Honestly, it really doesn't matter.
Over to you.
Over to you. I've taken it out of my court. Sugile kum. And now I never have to have like an anxious moment about it because it did bring like some sort of anxiety. So I was just like, being falsely accused is the worst thing in the world because no matter how much you dispute it, you're even more guilty when you dispute it too much. So now you must find a balance of disputing without seeming like...
Yeah, my bad.
And I felt amazing after that. I was just like, wow, thank God I had that opportunity. I never thought it would come, but I'm so glad it happened the way it did. And she softened and I saw it, right? And I'm just like, friendship breakups also can be over the weirdest things that can get fixed by a sentence.
But, now to ask you something on that, if ungabelieve abantu ngathetha loo nto leyo kakade it means you weren't writing for me.
Of course. Because you go through all the stages. Yeah. You go through all the stages, right? Of, I don't know what it's called, but you go through all the stages where you first go, oh my gosh, no, not me. Until you get to a place where you're like,
yeah, sure.
Man, who have I been to you this whole time
for
you to think that this is...
So inoba nawe ke ule way kum. That's why ungabelieve bamna ndilo way kuwe. And it's easy for you to believe. Therefore, as I mean, which is basically usually the thought process.
100%. But I never thought of that because I've always thought she's lovely. Excuse me. But I thought, if it's so easy for you to believe that of me, it means you never trusted me.
Okay.
Which is even sadder.
Yeah.
Because I've never given you reason not to. But if I believe kanje into embi kangaka ngam, well, what was our friendship actually? If we didn't trust each other, or if you didn't trust me, because I trusted you.
Sure.
Then when I suka nawe, I don't care. But at the back of your brain, you're just like, I didn't do this thing, and I want her to know I didn't do it, and I want her to know it from me.
Yeah.
And then it eventually came 5 years later.
Yeah, no, I'm glad you got your moment in faith. And guess how born I know if I don't know if I can ask this question.
Yeah.
If you unblock
And then?
or I must go.
Oh, that's a tough.
Huh? You don't know.
No, I haven't thought that far.
Okay.
And that's not what I'm expecting at all.
Okay.
But I got what I needed from it, and I don't need any more from it. Into ngoxolo, uxolela umuntu man, ingazi kumuntu alicele, uxole even sure. Usihambe sixolela abantu abangalicelanga uxolo.
Thanda icele.
Yeah, now ndixolele.
Khathi mina i-theories yami ngoxolelwano noxolo. Yazi ba anizifuna uzibona but I hear you though.
So what are you saying, that umuntu ufuneka axolele?
Andithi ba umuntu ufuneka makenze lento ayifilayo yena apha kuye ngaphakathi, what has ever been impressed on them by the spirit. Makenze loo nto leyo.
Ungenza ntoni wena?
Andinokwenza nix.
Zuko.
Andazi nix. Chilo no-MD.
I don't even know. Is that what he said to the allegation?
Public statement, I released like.
But that's nix. I find that. Oh, that's exactly like, yes.
Beautiful, it's beautiful.
100%.
Also, you like solo explaining about you. No, to the public. No. Hayi bo. Who's it wena? Mamocha uzibheke.
That's a very funny thing actually, about when something happens in your private life and it happens to be put on blast. Now you, who didn't put it on blast, must come and talk to us. People you don't know.
But kaloku uyasowa.
Usowa ntonto?
Usowa information.
Why?
Because it's different kaloku xa ungumntu onje onormal.
Yeah.
Naxa ungumntu mhlambi a well-known somebody.
Well, you're a normal person in your life.
100%.
Yes.
But ke kuthi we celebrity and you owe us. Just like you owe us the pictures, ne? And you fought now, just want to fight now. And just like, you understand that you owe us to tell us if when you want to take a break from your career. we are saying, oh, you owe us. Supporter.
An explanation of what I did in my private life.
Is imali zethu ezi.
Yeah, but what I did had nothing to do with imali zenu.
Yes, oh.
Oh, I'm entitled.
Yes, oh.
Yeah, but then you just came and said, oh, scars. This guy has no ass led. Now we have to go through rabbit holes to find out what you did.
Bruh, I don't know. I just, yeah. I don't agree with what I'm saying, but I know that that's how people feel. But you owe us.
Yeah, but people feel a lot of things. And so what? It doesn't mean that you have to action things just because people feel them.
Then, sure, but I'm also just like, is this relationship not a symbiotic relationship?
No, it is really
I'm
not.
asking you to download my podcast and watch and invest your time in all of this and share it.
Yeah.
And while you're on the topic, don't forget, ne? And share it and subscribe and follow and all of it. I'm asking you to do me a favor. What am I giving you in return?
Content, bro. I'm entertaining you. Hi, boo.
I can't just want to entertain on words. Did we ask you to entertain us? No, we didn't say, Talita, you need to start a podcast. No one said that.
Yeah, well, if nobody ever asked anyone to do something, nothing would ever happen. People just do stuff because they want to do stuff.
Correct.
Yes.
Yes. Ne? And then when you've decided you want to do stuff, fun support it. Ne?
Ewe.
So sharp. Sikwenzele loo nto leyo. You owe us something in return.
The content
nathi into
that I give you.
esifunayo nathi.
Nifuna ntoni? Nifuna private life yam?
No, sifuna usicacisele. Sifuna usicacisele kaloku uba.
Bakuye kwathini?
Kutshintsha ntoni phi kwenzeke ntoni. Mhlawumbe ungasiqwayisa nosiqwayisa ba guys ningafani nam ke. Kwenzeke sona so. We just want clarity kwenza basingasigqibeli. Bawuthalitha ungumntombi. Eva. We want you to clear your name.
No, nifuna umlevo.
No, we want to know what happened. So that we can decide whether or not we are still going to follow you. So that follows it, who's hold at ransom, you follows it.
So would you unfollow? Okay, not you, but do you think people unfollow Abantu when they haven't explained
All
about
the time. It's called cancel culture. Absolutely.
I don't like that.
But that's what it is. Yes, Fonin. We're supporting you. We are paying for your life. You owe us. You owe us.
With my privacy.
Fanini. Kaloku ne. We're not saying tell us what you're doing every day. We are saying Nancy Indo ilapha etafileni. What happened?
Guys,
that's all we're saying. What happened? What's your side of the story? That's what we're saying.
So if kungaphuma scandal ngami, would you encourage me uba nenze statement ndibalisele abahlali bakho zekento? Really?
Yeah, but overfunding abantu.
Show me. I owe them a lot of
things. You invited yourself into their homes. No.
They also opened the door and let me in.
Absolutely. No, yeah, but over.
Okay.
Sometimes you don't know about. You don't have to answer that. I'm the last person that I'm going to ask you that. It's just been coming up in the comments, though.
I know, and I feel like
really
I need to address it because Nyani and it.
Oh no, I didn't. Oh no, I wasn't building up to this, by the way.
No, I know. I'm sure you weren't. It just kind of happened, and I didn't even think about it. Azambi.
Man, fish, I wasn't ready for that answer.
Yeah, well.
Okay, Sifile Basalwane, sure. How are you?
Oh
no, create a monster.
No, asahambi guys, into zihambe zayekwa. Zama.
Ewe. And I think very importantly for us all to know is that yenzeka moslondo leyo.
Yeah.
Nakwezethu i-lives.
Yes.
And ke nje bisenzeka kobethu bomi akhondo. Yeah, we live to fight another day. See, Mahlamini. Ngaske ke bekumandi kodwa witness that side of you and ngaske ngenyimini if you want to thixa kubekele yona siphinde siyiwitness. Otherwise over and out. Asinayo i-airtime yayo ngoku. So ke nivile ke ba guys, you heard it here first. Ngizubela uniphathele. But ke ndizawucela also bathi thini divale ngomadlambi.
Oh, nguwe nalo ansaba ngokamadlambi.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've
paid
patelo.
Okay, cool.
Patelo. Yabo?
Yeah, and I'm okay. This is another thing.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Bona, that's the best part of it all.
Yeah.
Mama kube okay.
Yeah.
So ke ningene pha kwezam i-DMs like ndisani. Yeah, understand? How am I?
Oh, how are you?
I'm just thinking about halfway through the show and I'm just like, hey, and you ask you. When you write, man, Mahlamini, yeah, I'm fine. I'm just excited.
About?
Just turn the money. I don't know, and I guess maybe like everyone else, like they're trying to born and they're trying to recognize one, they're trying to is in this needs. You understand?
You literally texted me last week saying, "Oh, I don't want attention."
Yes, correct. Attention in the big sense.
Yeah.
Of bang party now.
Yeah.
But central outside of that, maybe if it's a DM, maybe it's a whatever that I like.
Okay.
Yeah, bo.
Mm-hmm.
It's when there's the 100 eyes looking at me. That's where I found out. Ninjeke umuntu uyaza kuwaza kuxelele into deep dark ba yazi Talita, I've found out something about myself now. Uzotela ngake podcast, oh, you texted me last week. Anyways, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we got an email, right?
Mm-hmm.
From one of the brands that I really like, and they were saying, hey guys, we love what you do, keep doing it. sifuna unithi
Jesus.
sifuna ukuthi Jesus something. And it was such a like sifuna unithi Jesus nje man because
With no asking for anything
yeah,
back.
bona siyancanywa sifuna nithi Jesus nibe grand otherwise nibe grand iqhubani ngespan. And that was so heartwarming for me.
100%.
I was just like, oh man, this is so cool. You know what I mean? So ke inani khanikhetheni and then goku yabo sawubona wethu basenza njani. Man, asendele uMadlamini bafuna ntoni in return.
Of course, bro. Nothing but my heart.
We're so damaged. We are so damaged.
Yeah, for sure.
And I was just like, bafuna into no. And ke mna ke when it comes to gifts, ndinglamntu ke mna ke we-gift mna uba one thing I will do is ndizawuphuma e-shop ndiyinxibile into endisandoyithenga.
Oh, really?
Andinayo laa nto yoba mayikhe ihlale ekhabhathini ikhithintini ndiyikhuphe itag ndiyigibisele i-iron ndiyigibisele emzimbeni.
Fair enough.
So uthe ufika kwayo le pasile ndayithatha nayo ndayigibisela emzimbeni. Ndayigibisela emzimbeni. I feel like dafumana i-Hotman shoe. I feel like this is such a Hotman shoe. Like andiyibona intwana na 18 inxibe esihlanti kade yekuthini khulula uthini hlangu samajani.
Awubaxelela uba where they're from.
Gesani basivela. But ke I'm so happy that ayindimndedwa ofumeneyo. NoMadlamini ufumene ke bras and
I haven't been allowed to open or see my spoils until this very moment.
So okay, we're doing our very first unboxing on sibling rivalry.
Yeah.
Tikulungile, and as you guys might be able to tell, it's a package from a brand called Freedom of Movement.
Love freedom of movement.
Freedom of Movement.
Yes, I've got felt schooner from
Yeah, that you were wearing last week, by the way. So okay, yeah, yilondo leyo. Okay, so okay, you always unwrapping gifts for me here. So it's your turn now.
Oh,
Ukujonge ba uphetheni eboxini.
oh, and irrechiwe sana.
Hey, come on.
There's nothing better than opening a present here. Honestly, there's nothing. Which one is this? Yours?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay, cool.
You can open yours.
So again, for me, t-shirt again. Munake.
How's this one? T-shirt?
Oh.
Oh, this is yours as well.
Yes.
And you got pants.
Yes.
You got a full outfit.
Ah, yeah, come on the timing. The timing in. Chinos.
What?
Very nice. I like those.
Wow. Okay.
Nice. Yeah, chino kala. And
Do you
yes,
have a pair
it's
of
springtime as well.
Yes,
so
this is
I
from the
think-
spring collection.
Yes, correct. And again, I asked the Prazmon is off. Man, I link in bio.
Bio.
So look out for that. Tea.
Nice. Ipalele on the back. Stay fresh and
Stay free and keep moving.
stay free and keep
Absolutely, yeah. So
moving. Okay.
so that was me. And then I got the shoes as well,
Of course.
which was really, really cool.
100%. Right?
Khake ndizawucela guys nindixelele uba ndingasistayila njani sisihlangu. Mna I'm the type of person who sees a shoe and then I only ever wear it one way, like with one pair of pants because ndoyika, I'm scared of
Ufunde namhlanje
experimenting.
njengejini yakho.
This is the only combo that But
You
yes, I
could wear
won.
it with those pants.
Okay, cool. I'll try
Yeah.
that.
Okay, so I got a jacket.
Oh, lekker.
Yes, a shirt jacket.
Oh, that's so dope.
I know, right?
Oh. Hey, amadoda lo uyayibhalwanga man.
Tucha me and imfitshane uyayibona nawe
That's
imfitshane.
very cool.
So I got a jacket.
That's cool. I like that.
Ooh, the material is so nice. Think about next week. I'm not worried.
Is it?
Yes, of course.
Okay, sure. I can't wait to see it.
Yeah, so it's light, but it's also it will keep you warm. Through the
Yo,
spring.
that's cool. Oh, I love your stuff, bro.
And I got pants.
Oh, nice.
So I've decided I don't like jeans anymore.
Okay. Why?
Just the comfortability. And so, and unfuna go whoops jean
Sure.
either, you know, so I don't want to wear like this wide leg because I don't think bazian fanel. So all I do now is just look for pants that aren't jeans.
Okay.
So when this came along, I was like, hell yeah, okay.
Oh, and teta anything, yeah.
Kuba?
I like that. I like Zabo Chapezans in it.
Yeah, ziyabotshwa phezantsi.
Okay, cool.
Love them so
Yekile ukhomenda kaloku for anything to do with you and clothes.
Jaden is nice. Which one is mine? The green one or
This
the brown
one. And then also shoes.
Yes, and I also got a pair of shoes.
Lekker.
But I got sandals.
Oh yeah.
Because ihan my hand.
Yeah, choka sana.
Ihan my tini. Ihan my hand. I got a show me.
Okay, honey.
These are so cute. I can't wait. And I have toe problems, but
No, you don't, bro.
not in my head.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I have
Okay.
toe problems
Well,
in my
you don't.
head. So thank you so much from the people from Freedom of Movement. Guys, you have no idea what's inside. Hope you can hear that. If you didn't hear it, just look down below. There's going to be some answers and words. Thank you so much. This is amazing.
Shout out.
And to anybody else who's watching, no, because shy, nanny.
Shout out.
Listen,
It's always good to hear from people that you like, and then you find out that they like you too.
Oh, 100% also.
Hey.
Yes, 100%. I can't
So
wait to
ifana nami Eric this weekend, umfundisi obeshumayela pa. Uthi, "Ah man, bulise, mfundisi." Just like, "Yeah. Hi man. I-podcaster." No, just like, you know, and we had such a good time. You shared a book with me, which I'm still listening to. And yeah, we had a very, very good time.
You shared a what? A book?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, so I'll tell you about that book as soon as I'm done reading it.
It's
But
so
yeah, shout out
funny.
to you, Pastor Blose. Aye.
It's so funny sometimes, like when someone like Pastor, like you wouldn't expect Pastor to even have the time. Podcast.
You know what I mean?
Yes, 100%.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, it's been a good week, man. Yeah, it's been an excellent week.
Yeah.
So excellent that in the end I libalo on closeness of it all.
But don't worry, you know, next week we'll be back.
Yeah, no, I guess I'll double up, okay, guys. So, okay, this is the part where it would otherwise be closeness of it all. So, we'll just take a moment of silence for about 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Jeez. I mean,
100.
Sensei, everything, like we've done so much.
Yes. Very unconventional show today.
100%.
Yeah.
And let's get on with the topic, but we still have 20 minutes.
Okay.
I was thinking about a conversation we've had before, right?
Okay.
And
sorry.
and you and I was saying how important I think it is for abantwana to learn their mother tongue.
Okay, kids to learn their mother tongue.
Yes.
Me being, if it was me to learn Xhosa.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And you were like, oh,
What do you mean? Bala Xhosa ku-CV yakho. Okay.
Right? And I was like, we didn't really kind of delve into why you thought that way or why I thought the way I did. And I was like, what? Why?
Yo, Talita, bro. Now you're going to ask me this at this point. Episode 89 on a predominantly Xhosa show.
Yes, exactly. Which is why I was so surprised. But why would you say that?
Hang me, bro.
No, Chomi, I got it. Just a little bit.
No, because I just didn't see. So, one thing about me, I'm a lot of things that I think about, a lot of things that I do, and a lot of opinions that I have, they have got an underlying commercial side to them.
Okay.
Right? Commercial side to say, okay, Xhosa, how is that going to benefit me? How am I going to get money? How am I going to get money for what's Xhosa? Sure, it's got some social capital, right? In terms of Anselalini, obviously, it's going to be a bit weird if Ante is Xhosa at all.
Sure.
You understand? And then maybe there I might be shunned or I might be shut out or whatever the case may be. But I can't see but outside of that. But especially given that nam andingomntu where so I don't believe nagui ancestors namasiko etc right? And even if I did though, I'm also just like, but kaloku bazokwazi understand in English. So I didn't catch about where the value was. And I still don't catch, but where's the actual value? It was in rai. Oh no. And I'm not saying this in a bad way. I think it's really, really great. And you guys don't just enjoy it's closer Sam. You understand? But so for me, my stance was based on the fact that where's the value? Where's the value?
Well, funny you should ask.
Oh no. Yeah, so that's where I was coming from.
That's a strange thing to base it on value. That's actually quite intense. Banzo okay, nandoni.
Where's the value? Yes, where's the value? Well, sure, it's cute, but I'm not this close. Big fact. But so yeah, I think for me it just came down to value. But where's the value?
But now I'm thinking about maybe they're just not valuable to you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Indoni. Are they valuable to you?
I think they're just valuable generally.
Or they should be valuable.
Well, so I guess preserving heritage is not valuable to you.
Maybe I'm not thinking about it as deep as I should.
Oh, okay.
But I'm just like, nangam, selahapha ngoku. And isibheka phambili.
Okay, fine. And so in a space where Tina Swen's amasiko and all of that stuff, but there's one kukusukeli one isilenzayo.
Leli phela.
Le yamadoda, liyamakhwenkwe ehlathini abengamadoda.
I don't understand why I'm not about to the English. What?
Because isixhosa sitolikwa and amanye amagama amanye amagama asetshenziswa pha uzothi intoni. Oh, what's that song? Yeah.
Somakwazi.
Ewe yinto leyo.
Somakwazi ligama lomuntu. Uzuko. Kubani uzuko in English? Okay, glory. But that's not what I'm trying to get at.
Fine, then there's all these songs as Tulwayo. This person's not going to be able to partake as ngomeni because akazi kwa language. There's one thing about not knowing a song. Then there's another thing about not knowing the language that the song is in. You literally cannot partake, right? Wena goku your kid needs to be abene interpreter pa. Ezomani xelela ba kwenziwani.
Okay.
And that kind of others them, does it not?
Yeah, sure.
And that's not a great thing.
And it's value. Leno Troy, before acceptance, there's value there.
Yes, 100%.
Leno beniteta but obviously now if uzafika ku situation ba uphusengeva or whatever, ukhona indawo apho uzawuthiwa kuyo if you don't speak the language, right? So there is social capital. Leno beniteta, but there is some form of social capital.
Oh, 100%.
But also in saying that, I'm just like, I don't know, guys, man. Look, I mean, at the end of the day, why ngakwazi ukukhumsha zonke izinto? For example, anditsho mazikhumshwe. But I'm just saying, because ngoku what you're gonna find is that if I'm blessed with a son, I'll have a son in 18 years from when he is born, uzahambe ukoluka. By then, sabe sihamba nge-flying machine, sinantsika zi-robots. And certain things will have evolved.
No. Okay. Let's continue.
Yeah.
Over. Another thing is just family bonds, how speaking the home language strengthens relationships at home. And not just in the home that you live in, but at your cousin's house, at your grandma's house, ukwazi sonke basiyakwazi uthetha isixhosa sonke and akho umuntu uzoba othered because akakwazi. It's a strengthening of a bond somehow, being able to communicate in the same language.
If abantu bayakwazi ukukhumsha in your family.
But
if bayakwazi ukukhumsha bonke, then if wonke umuntu uyakhumsha, then
so now you're making a decision of for someone based on in 18 years wonke umuntu uzakwazi ukukhumsha. So
or uyakwazi ukukhumsha wonke umuntu right now. Like for example, if you had a child, utamkhulu walo mntana uyakwazi ukukhumsha straight. umakhulu nomakazi bakhe nomakazi wakhe nomalume nodabawo wakhe bakwazi ukukhumsha bonke abane nabantwana bethu if we have kids bazakwazi ukukhumsha uyakwazi ukukhumsha kwasani
fine and
ubani umuntu omaziyo wena ongakwazi ukukhumsha in your family
fine and sikwazi ukukhumsha nje sonke for example in our family xa sigodukile asikhumshi olohlobo
yeah
why if siyakwazi sonke
well I mean
because siyavana in another language
but I mean the option is always there guys man also guys I'm not here to tetelela that thing
no
I feel like ndia block ndia defender you know what I mean
yeah
but but for me it's just like
you've never thought of it in that way or as deep as it's going right now
100% and even as deep as it's going I'm still just like yeah but
what do you think of someone's sense of identity?
I don't know ithini londo leyo
like where's the value
Indoni identity enza ifumana
mna ndingubani ndivelaphi
okay and then
ndingumadlamini ndivela
what do you do with that
it makes me feel proud
okay
it's a sense of pride for me knowing where I come from
okay that's fine I'm saying but look guys it might be a thing and
ndiyazi ba nam ndingami ndiyotshata abanye odlamini
okay
also I mean that's just one of those things
okay
he's just like whatever
that's fine
shout out your cousins no one cares
that's fine Zalana song van Suga Adam no Eva
the end of the day okay fine so now those are like the cultural connections right and then there's cognitive benefits but bilingual or multilingual children may have improved cognitive flexibility and problem solving skills right and I understand that because of the amount of languages I know and how different the languages are, you kind of think in a different way when you're speaking a different language somehow. I don't know how to explain it properly, but because the way that languages are set up, the structure of each language is so different that you kind of are forced to think differently.
Absolutely.
Right? Which is a great skill to have, is it not? Value?
Yeah, you can also learn that by learning Mandarin and Portuguese.
But why would you learn Mandarin Portuguese when you can learn Indo elapekaya?
Because Mandarins are going to negotiate business deals now one basa China that taking over the world. What? Portuguese helps because uyohlala Portugal.
Yeah, but uzozazi nini ba uyohlala Portugal? Not from the time you're born.
That's fine. Now, I'm not here saying it's just the opinion. You're making me defend my opinion now. That's what's happening. And it's very, very difficult.
I must just give my talk.
give your talk because you're defending.
Hold on. I didn't mean to put you on that end of this conversation. Number 2, they say research suggests that children who maintain their home language may perform better academically. Don't know how that happens. Knowing multiple languages can improve a child's understanding of language structure and nuances.
Sure.
Which is great. I mean, this is kind of what we were talking about as well. Which I think is a mind-opening tactic in a way that awufundiswa how to open your mind, but knowing something else just opens up your mind as well. Then there are emotional benefits, like a sense of belonging. Speaking the home language can give children a sense of belonging to their family and community. And by community, I know Basnazi community kakulu, like here in the city. But when we go home, you do feel a sense of community somehow. Yoba kaban bam aba.
Yeah, if I say Alwan North, if we get garage, would show hot man. Show put right.
Ungabubuliswa ngodumelang. Yabona nje. Providing access to books, media, and other resources in the home language can help children maintain and develop their own language skills. And so because I find language skills to be really important. And yes, everybody's learning international languages and all of that. It doesn't make learning your home language any less because are your language of business or are your language of, international value or anything like that. I think it's just so important to, I don't know, there's just like such a big sense of home, I feel. Ending, I don't know how to explain it, but that's who I am, right? And I just wanted to, I don't know, I wanted to know from abantu abamameleyo ba if unabantwana and abayithethi home language yakho, is that something that you intended to do? And if it is, why? I'm literally just curious. I'm definitely not here to judge anyone or to make anyone feel bad about your choices, Zabo. But I just feel like I'm curious about what happens on the other end of it because I didn't grow up like that. Yeah.
Watch out, defend.
No, dude.
I'm joking. But now, what do you think of umntu ongayazi home language yakhe? Dibana nomntu in their 40s akayazi home language yakhe.
I always wonder about awanda yenzeke njani lento. And I will never. Well, then that's not your problem, really.
Oh, but yeah, but I chose not to because I didn't see the
When did
value.
you choose? When you were 3?
Maybe let's say I chose that kid and safuna uthetha. Kwabantu bangayithethi le home language yabo as a result of choice. Whether they were 18 or whatever the case, but to choose they're just like, I just don't want to speak Slam.
Yeah, well, your choice is your choice. I'm trying to I'll definitely not asking anyone to defend your choice, yabo. I just find it interesting. I just want to know why. Why did you choose that? Why did you choose to not do it? But it's not. I'm never gonna place like an X under your name. Ba yo alona Jani. It's not. I'm just curious. I'm not trying to judge anyone.
I was like, yo, and I'm dating the English. Because some people do that. But can you uyakwazi ukuthetha isixhosa sakho okanye umixe nesitswana naye amixe ibe yilondo leyo imandi, but lento njoye ba English alone it's very it doesn't happen often. But yeah, I feel like also in generations ezikhulayo ngoku it's starting to happen.
No, it definitely is. Abantwana don't speak the languages anymore. It makes me a little bit sad, but like that's just me.
Ne?
Yeah.
I used to be like, man, then in my opinion changed. I was like, okay, who's a certain then what? You know what I mean? I just found Guti. Okay, well, I suppose that's where I didn't see any harm in it. Sure, it would be nice. I mean, there's Unyana our cousins, Unyana Solomzi Nolu, and you spoke Xhosa live, okokoko. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? And I thought that was so cute. You know what I mean? But now I'm just like, oh, yeah, no, I am okay, sure.
Whatever, man.
You know what I mean? I love you, Teti. Ukalo afundi Xhosa before afundi English, and that was the cutest thing. But Lennon Choiba, beyond the cuteness and the ending a boni indom.
So when right with English okokoko kwi relationship yakho.
Sure, I don't have any problem. Sure, to your point, there's things that you can't express yourself in English fully. You understand? But then that begs the question, and then this person that you're in a relationship with, if you're not then still that's lost. That's lost anyways.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to find an English way to do it, or uyifunde about uchonjani ba yiwethu eStswana or whatever. Do you know what I mean? So either way, because now we live in this multinational whatever, multicultural situation, at the end of the day, kufuneka siphinde sizorely kwakule English. Because umntu ba no athi umntu akuhutli. Then what? Then nasexabana ke ngoku. Because wena kwa Ezizibheke zasifuna izilendo esiclose. Yabo. So very, very interesting. Now I would love to know the answer to some of those questions. But yeah, Lennon Joy, but and sure, should have kids at the because but I won't. I'm not gonna fight about it. Because this is the thing, lo mntu lo uzahamba ekrishi kuyagumshwa full time. Wonke umntu.
Nathi sasambe ekrishi esikhunyishwa kuzo full time.
Kaloku nasemgcawu ezulu. You understand?
No.
So, but Lennon Shoiba, at the end of the, and what you find even with kids that speak closer at a young age, umntu atofika esikela. Immediately esikela switch. Akumsho. Ngabi kondo fine. But yeah, I mean, Lennon Shoiba, it's just
in
one of those
50
things.
years kuzobe kufundwa in history books ba kwakho abantu kuwexhosa.
Bazobe sekhona xa bengasithethi.
Yeah, 100%. So there's like hardly any proof, and ungasthethi oko also comes with not passing down anything about the history and which makes me a little bit sad. Maybe I'm just sentimental in that way. But it's almost like a wiping out of culture.
Yeah, I think like it's a wipe for me. It also kind of is a little bit of a wiping out of differences, which is what makes us fight. Also, like that we're so different. Because mnanzabona umjito omzulu nithi mina akwekho kaloku. And then what? Iyakunceda lo nto uyaphambana wena benhloko. Now there's one that's more superior than the other one, and there's another one at 10. In fact, yona nto sixabanisayo there's differences which we cannot manage. Xa sikhumsha sonke sipholile ke ngoku. Sipholile. But yeah, anyways, and anditsho uba ndithi uba makuthini. Xhosa of it all ke leyo.
And that's the closeness of it all.
Andithi uba makuthini.
I hear you. Look, you make some valid points as well, obviously. And I think my points are definitely based in emotion and more than anything else.
Really?
Yeah, just the way I feel emotionally about being a Xhosa person. Like I like it. I like getting to dress up in my traditional way. I like going home and speaking. I like being in a room full of Xhosa and just like conversing in that way. And it's like,
hey, Baukas!
Hey, what's up,
Hey, I love intombi zethu.
That makes me so happy. So happy. Mr. Hi, Mr. Bani.
Not from Baukas to Mr.
Now I'm going to be Mr. Bani. We've got spark, man. Our language has got like flavor and flowers and it's nice. It feels good in my soul. Literally, nowhere else in my soul.
When you're in a room of Nanzika, uyachazeka. Awuyachazeka, awukwazi ungachazeki.
Okay, let us know what you think, guys. Let us know also, Klambi, if unabandwana and you have made it a point to bafundise, how difficult or how easy that's been for you living in this multicultural world that we live in, and also living in a space where yonke into abayibonayo opopayi esikolweni tontoni zichomi wonke umuntu uyakhumsha, and how hard it's been and how you've managed to be able to do it. That would be nice to know. Let's end off with the board then.
If you surrender to the wind, you could ride it. Asha.
What do you think of that?
Don't fight. I can only ever think of a running reference, which says, there's a saying that says, don't fight the heel.
Do what with it?
Work with it. Work with it. if you fight the hill trying to climb it, it's going to fight you back and you are going to lose. Don't fight it, work with it. So in the same thing here, but sure, it's here I picture turbulence.
Yeah.
Svungu.
Yeah.
Hamba na umoya instead of trying to go directly against it. Yes, correct, absolutely.
Go where it takes you.
100% adjust your sails. The wind is going to be there, and the more you try and get the wind to do what you want instead of capitalizing on the fact that there's wind and it can push you in and you can then steer based on that wind. Use the wind as energy as opposed to enemy.
Nice. I'm glad you had a grip on that, because when I read it, I was just like, oh, Kanjani, bro.
Oh yeah. That's the way I understand it.
How do you work with the hill, Balek?
You so there's certain things. So your body sometimes wants to not look at the hill. You look down. By doing that, for example, you're closing a bit of your airway.
Oh, okay.
So you're not taking in as much energy.
Okay.
Your muscles aren't getting as much oxygen. Your muscles aren't getting that. Sometimes you slow down your movement, but sometimes you can use your arms to kind of really push or carry your legs as well. Posture as well kind of helps. There's certain positions or a stance that you need to take that will give you more power than if you take a different kind of stance or posture. So in that sense, and you don't attack it gradually. Slow is smooth is fast. So yeah, that's kind of like you don't fight it. You work with it, and it pays off at the end.
Okay.
And if it doesn't pay off, it's not the end.
Of course. Thanks, guys, for watching. I feel like since 2 hours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to introduce your friends to this podcast, because you know they're going to love it. Because you see, like our 30,000, and it's almost like we're fighting a hill. But we're
going to ride it.
We're going to ride it. Any last words from you, buddy?
No last words from me.
Don't forget, love each other.